Good morning, my name is Eric. I am the Regional Mobility Specialist with Freedom Motors. I live in Tennessee. And all our beautiful conversions are done here in Battle Creek, Michigan. So that's where we're reporting from today. And what I want to share with you is a Chevrolet Traverse. So I hear as many people that I talk to, interested prospects, interested customers, what do you have besides a van? Doesn't even have to be just give me some options beside a van. Obviously, Chevrolet Traverse, this is not a van, it's an SUV. So with Freedom Motors, we have this beautiful rear entry conversion. It comes with manual or a rear or an automatic conversion. So this one here is manual. As you can see, even with a 36 wide ramp, which is wonderful for basically almost all chairs are going to be able to fit on this 36 wide ramp. But as you can see, I'm not a spring chicken anymore, and this is real easy to do. Spring assisted, real easy to do. But with 36 wide, not only are we 36 wide coming in, but in between these two second row seats, you've got about 25 inches. That's touching the material, but I just had a customer the other day in a power chair, a Permobile, and he fit right in there. So it was lovely. He was able to fit right in there. Plenty of room in there for that chair. I won't say all chairs, but it's nice to have that 25 inch. Another thing that we normally won't say maybe as a feature and benefit for the rear entry conversion is the second row seating. It's a little tighter space. With the Chevy Traverse, there is actual legroom. I don't think you can go up there with me to see it, but I'm telling you, there's so much legroom in that compared to the other vehicles. Another thing with this ramp, we've got, not only is it durable, but it's really lightweight with the materials we use. I was sitting in here with a customer yesterday. The mother was in the chair, husband was in the second row, and they were just like, I cannot believe how much room this has. So wonderful, roomy conversion. Like I said, it's got an automatic conversion or the manual, either way. Plenty of room here. Also with the 56-inch door opening, will really accommodate a lot of customers, but it will come down to about 54, so real nice room considering this is not a van, it is a crossover SUV from Chevrolet. We're also doing the Enclave and a few other exciting ones that you'll hear about in the future. Any questions on anything?
Good job. Woo-hoo!